My name is Gary.
My name's Amanda.
My name is Isaac McKenzie.
My name is Nick Paletta.
I'm Phil.
My name's Colin Joyle.
My name is Dennis.
My name is Troy.
I'm a calibration technician.
And I'm a field service on-site metrologist.
I'm the Vice President of Business Development.
I'm a calibration technician, and I've been at Essco for 1.5 years.
Been here for 19 years.
For almost 9.5 years.
I actually found out about Essco by replying to a newspaper ad in the Lawrence Eagle Tribune.
I found out about Essco from a career fair at my school.
I had a friend that worked at Essco, and she told me that Essco was looking for help.
My favorite thing about working at Essco is the people that I work with. They're highly professional, they're very helpful, and they're just fun to be around.
My favorite thing about working at Essco is the people. We have a really good group of people here, and it's a team environment.
It's a great place to apply what you've learned. It's a great place to learn a lot more of what's not taught in school.
If you really want to expand your knowledge, Essco's a good place for that.
Essco's a great company. Everyone here is very friendly. They're willing to help you learn and teach you anything you want to know.
It's a place where on a Monday morning, when you're driving to work, you're looking forward to go to work.
They're going to learn a lot, they're going to make themselves more valuable, and ultimately they're going to enjoy it.